Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Homeworld Remastered. This classic real-time strategy game requires careful planning and execution. We will start by covering the fundamental controls and interface. Getting comfortable with selecting units, issuing commands, and navigating the three-dimensional battlefield is crucial. The game's comprehensive tutorial missions are an excellent starting point to familiarize yourself with these core mechanics before diving into the main campaign. A strong economy is the backbone of any successful fleet. You will need to deploy specialized resource collectors to gather valuable materials from asteroid fields. Remember to assign escort ships to protect these vulnerable units from enemy attacks. Balancing your resource income with the costs of building new ships and researching advanced technologies is key to maintaining a powerful force. Upgrading your mothership also unlocks many new options. Building a diverse and balanced fleet is essential for victory. You will command a wide array of ships, from nimble fighters and versatile corvettes to powerful frigates and devastating destroyers. Understanding each ship type's strengths and weaknesses allows for strategic positioning. Always aim to exploit enemy vulnerabilities and focus your fire on critical targets, such as their resource collectors or capital ships, to quickly gain the upper hand in engagements. To truly master Homeworld Remastered, delve into advanced tactics. Researching new technologies will unlock powerful upgrades and new ship designs, significantly enhancing your fleet's capabilities. Utilize hyperspace jumps for swift, unexpected attacks or to make a strategic retreat from overwhelming odds. Don't forget the option to capture enemy ships, adding their strength to your own. And always remember to save your game often to experiment freely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.